Alright, so I want to show you how you can create your Facebook page. Don't forget that before you create your Facebook page, you have your Facebook profile. If you don't have Facebook profile, you can't create your Facebook page. So let us continue. I have my own like this. I hope you should have your own like this. This is a Facebook profile. Now the first thing you need to do is to come up here and click on this place where you have your picture. It may be your logo or the picture. So click on it. Then here you look for where there's page. My page is here like this. Your own may not be here, but just look for where you have page. Now click on it. Good. Now you see all this thing I'm having here. I have all those things. You are not going to have all these things. No, your own will be empty. So you need to go up here and click where there's a create. Press it. Then here you have two options. You have professional profile and then you have public page. Now we are going for public page. That's the second one. Select it, then you click on next. Then here you give a name to your page. I want to give a name to my own tutorial. Now you click on next. Now you are going to, this page is very important because this is what's going to help the Facebook algorithm to know what your page is all about. So you need to choose a category, like what are you going to be talking about. Now if it's fashion, just type in this search button fashion. You want to be talking about fashion, just write it. As you are writing it, it will bring out different type of fashion, maybe fashion style, stylist, design fashion, different. So choose the one that describe your page, that describe your, that's the niche that you want to be talking about here. So choose it. I'm going to choose technology. So as I'm writing tech, you see information technology company. There are science and tech, all those things. So I need to choose science and tech. Then I'll click on create. So if I click on create, my page will be created. So that's how you create page with Facebook profile. Very simple. If you have any challenge, you can also put it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.